How to export contacts on Android. The first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your contacts application on your phone. And then from here, you are going to have to tap on the three lines or the three dots that you see at the top right. If you don't see your settings menu here, tap on the horizontal lines at the left and then head over to Manage Contacts. And once you click on the Manage Contacts option, you have an option to export contacts directly from here. So you can export all contacts to either your internal storage, SIM1 or SIM2, depending on what you have. But if you want to use your Google account to export the contacts, then in that case, what you need to do is open Settings, scroll down to Google Services, and then tap on Google. And then from here, tap on All Services. Now you're going to have to find the contact option from here. Now, once you find the Google Contact Sync under Backup and Restore, tap on Google Contact Sync and make sure that the sync is turned on. Tap on the status option and make sure that this toggle is turned on like this. Once that is done, you can go to Restore Contacts. And once you have exported contacts, you can just click on this Restore option. Now from here, you're just going to have to go ahead and open up your Google Manager. And once you open up your account manager right here, you can just go ahead and scroll to the side. Just go to the option People and Sharing. And from here, you'll find your contacts. Now, if you tap on it, it will automatically export the contacts for you. And if you're using a different phone, you can just log into your Google account and all of the contacts that have been exported will be on your other device. That's it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.